Hello everyone! So sa mga na-curious dyan kung kamusta na ako dito sa Philippines while waiting with my papers. So ito pala yung update ko sa inyo ngayon is magsasaing ako ng rice or ng kanin by using this branches of coconut tree. Medyo mahirap talaga yung LDR guys pag once na married na kayo. So iba talaga yung LDR nung fiancé or boyfriend and girlfriend pa kayo. So ngayon guys, it's a bit heavy talaga sa heart, but then as I said, waiting is worth it always. So just wait for the right time kasi nga papunta tayo dun, diba? So anyway guys, ito pala yung ginagawa ko dito is to cut it into pieces sa mga branches of coconut. Kasi nga guys, medyo malaki talaga siya pag once na i-direct natin siyang gamitin. So, kailangan ko siyang hatiin sa 2 or 3 minsan. And yeah. Marami ring nagtatanong sa akin kung bakit hindi ako nagsistay ng Germany dahil sa married na kami ng aking hubby. So, the answer of that, it's not allowed. Kasi nga visit visa yung gamit ko last time. So, I need to go back in the Philippines since this is my promise to the embassy na I will go back in the Philippines after my visit visa. So, ayaw ko din i-broke yung promises na yun. So, I just go back here. Medyo matagal talaga yung waiting namin due to the changes of the requirements sa FRV visa. So, ngayon guys, I just enjoying my life here in the Philippines while waiting with my documents. So, ito pala yung aking process how to cook rice here by using these branches of coconut tree. Hope guys you enjoy this video. And guys, to those people who asking me about the requirements of married in Denmark. So guys, I will not answer it right now kasi nga medyo busy talaga yung Intermela new. And also, we also processing a lot of papers right now. So, we need to prioritize things first. And then, after everything, I will make a video about it. How we handle a DIY married in Denmark. So, okay. Thank you so much guys. So guys, hintayin ko na lang na magbukal ang kuan tubig or magboil ang water kay para ilagay ko na yung rice na mais. Sa gitawag oy basta ka ng bugas mais na siya sa amua guys. And wala na siya ang ako ang life 3. Simple lang siya but yeah, I enjoy it and very unforgettable gid siya. Wala siya ang life nga gusto nako, di po ko gusto madato. Gusto na nako simple but unforgettable.